Okay, so this is the new rare earth titanium core that we here at Fuel Genie are making. Tests are finished. We're going to show you some results ourselves right here. So first off, let's just connect this up to the negative pole of the battery. So this is just straight off the 12.6 volts from the battery is what we're pulling right now. This is a 1 teaspoon of electrolyte per gallon of water. Give us probably about 0.46 amps right here, so 460 milliamps. So let's start the engine and see what the amperage is going to be as soon as we start this up. Okay, we've started the engine now, and the 13.6 volts that has given us 0.51 amps. So you may as well say half an amp is what we're doing here. Now you can see the increase in the hydronium that's being made. Not HHO, hydronium. So that's hydronium being made. You can see what happens to it there. Nice, small, milky white bubbles. Those are nanomolecules. So now let's turn on the vacuum to the intake manifold. Now we're injecting the gas directly into the engine, and look what happens. Milky white nanomolecules going in, combining with the hydrocarbon fuel in your engine to create a very, very powerful mixture inside your engine. Something that gives you a lot more torque in your engine and will also extend your mileage. So this is what we do. This is quite a sight here. And we're doing it all at this amount of gas we're producing at 0.5 amps. Now we'll take this 3-liter engine here from 24 miles per gallon on the highway to 32 miles per gallon on the highway. That's on half an amp, so that's quite remarkable, that amount of increase for such a little bit of power draw. So that's what we have right now. Now I'll show you what it looks like, the core on the inside, because it's a little bit different design than the older ones are. Okay, I'm going to pull this out of the tank here, and now you can see a little better what the new core looks like. We have reduced the size of the plating actually by almost 70% in fact. And because of the rare earth titanium here, we're able to do that because now it produces a lot more hydrogen than just plain metal or plain titanium. So this is here the prototype, and the real ones will work just as well, and they're also going to be able to have a replacement area. We're right in through here. We're going to cut these rods and install connecting nuts on either side, and they'll just be covered up with the shrink wrap here, so that one day, should the core fail, it would be very easy just to unscrew it and put in a new one without having to replace anything else. So that's what's coming in the next generation of Fuel Genies, and we're going to make this all happen. This is really, really nice. So now you see.